If you're experiencing crashing issues with Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, to download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 2. Verify game files. Open your game launcher or Original Steam and navigate to the Apex Legends game settings. Use the option to verify the integrity of game files to ensure that no files are corrupted or missing. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to see if that resolves the crashing issue. Start with settings like resolution, texture quality, and effects, and gradually increase them to find a stable configuration. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. This includes overlays from programs like Discord or GeForce Experience, as they can sometimes interfere with gameplay. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can help resolve any persistent issues that may not have been fixed by previous steps. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues you're facing in Apex Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.